Okay. Biology class, and then what we almost have started chapter 13. What? Yes, last turn a little introduction was there. Chapter 13, skin structure and function. Skin structure and right. Okay. So some idea. What is the skin?
The skin is the largest organ of our body.
Yeah.
It protects us. It protects us from many diseases also.
One at a time. Yes, it protects.
It has oil glands and sebaceous glands. It protects
Yes.
from the cold.
Yes, it actually makes the integumentary system, and integumentary system is nail, hair, and the exocrine gland, which are present in the skin. They all together makes the integumentary system. So integumentary system include what's that? Hair, nail, and exocrine gland. What are exocrine gland? They are having duct. Okay. Two type of glands are there: exocrine gland and endocrine gland. Exocrine glands, they are having their ducts, and they secrete the secretion on the surface of organ or in a specific organ. Like some example, can you give me of exocrine gland? Sweat gland. So when we say that skin is an integumentary system, so in this sweat glands are also there, that we, and one more gland is also there in the skin, was sebaceous gland. So what's the function of sebaceous gland? To secrete sebum. Sebum is a waxy, oily substance, and the function of the sebum is to what you can say, lubricate the skin, to make the skin soft. So it's the largest organ, and surface area of skin almost 1.5 to 2 square meter. 1.5 to 2 square meter surface area. If you calculate the whole skin surface area, it's almost 1.5 to 2 meter square meter. And almost how much weight? 15 to
16%
of total weight. I'll write square meter here. So here so it's an integumentary system. What it includes? Hair, nail, and exocrine gland. Exocrine glands. What are the exocrine gland here? Sweat gland, Sebaceous gland.
And what about skin?
Yes.
Skin.
What is skin?
In integumentary system, here there is examine gland and skin.
Is means skin along with hair. Of course, skin. And mammary gland. Sebaceous gland and so this is the what you can say a rough idea about the skin. Basically, what are the function of a skin? What is the function? It protect. It make a barrier between the environment and the internal organ. So it protect. It act as a cushion, and it regulate. It acts as an excretory organ. Why? Because it excrete out the waste from in the form of sweat. And another function is to put what you can say defense. Because in the skin phagocytes are there and their function is to engulf the microorganism. They prevent the entry of the microorganism in the body. They finish there in the skin only. And it's also help in regulation. Means how? Yes. How? When the body release excess water, that evaporated and that makes that regulate the temperature of the body. Now, skin is having different part, means different layers. Basically, 3 layers are there: epidermis, if you talk about skin, it's having 3 layers. This is epidermis and this is it's better you come here if no, but maybe you will be it's dermis, middle one is dermis and this is hypodermis, this one. So here and here this is epidermis, this is the uppermost one means epidermis, and then this one is dermis, and then this hypodermis. Is epi means above, so above the dermis is epidermis, hypo means below, below the dermis is hypodermis. Okay. So here they are sebaceous gland, this hair follicle. Sweat gland. They open on the surface of epidermis. So here sweat also releases on the epidermis, and sebaceous gland releases sebum, that is also on the epidermis. And both function we already know. Sebaceous gland releases sebum, that function is to make skin soft and to lubricate it. And sweat gland, their function to excrete out the waste as well as to regulate the temperature of the body. Yes?
Sebaceous gland is having hair follicle. Sebaceous gland is also having hair follicle.
No, around the hair follicle, sebaceous glands are there. So there are the three main layers. Okay, no. And these blood vessels are also there, nerve endings are also there in this, like they are the blood vessels, arteries and veins. Okay then, epidermis is having further sublayers. In your book, the three they mentioned, but usually there are 5 or 4. On some places there are 4 and some places of body there are 5. Where there are 5? There are 5 means this epidermis having sublayers. Here in your book they are mentioned 3, but basically they are 4 and 5. So 5 they are on 2 places, palm of the hand and sole of the feet. They are a little thicker on these places because they are prone to injury. This hand portion and the sole of the feet. So they are a little thicker and they are having the 5 layers. So first layer, stratum. Here in your book it's written like stratum outermost conified, means here is stratum corneum. Second is stratum lucidium. This stratum lucidium is only found in palm of the hand and sole of the feet. Stratum lucidium. Stratum lucidium. And third one is stratum. So this layer is found only 2 places. This one, palm and feet. And
first one is general, no?
Yes, palm and feet. Sole means sole of the feet, palm of the hand. Okay, now stratum granulosum. Third one. Fourth one is stratum granulosum. Fourth one is stratum spinosum, that is also not mentioned in your book, but this is also there. Then stratum basal, or we are saying germinative layer. Germinative layer. Malpighian layer.